me more for the worth. Blue honey, Papa Smurf. 2-0 be the turf. Social media thug. Get thrown in the dirt. I'm the blame. Yeah. Say my name. See a hater, chuck a deuce. Drop a finger for the truth.
Yo, what's good, y'all? Y'all already know, back with another one. Y'all know who it is, Fick. Got my dog Joker with me. Man, it's time, man. It's been a long time.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Listen, when we say a long time, we're not exaggerating. This is a text thread between myself and the owner of the shop that goes back months. He always texted me to show me what he was working on and ordering. The bike needed a top end, new airbox, fork seals, clutch basket, kickstarter, water pump, new tire, and the list goes on. The bike was basically stripped down to the frame and pieced back together.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Oh man, I'm cheesing so hard. I'm so excited. It ain't even my bike.
I am too, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. We finally about to get the YZ out the shop. I know y'all been hearing us talk about it for forever. My dog, he gonna test drive that jump, man. We just pulled up at the shop. I don't got nothing else to say, man.
We gonna make it do what it do.
It's go time.
We on the way, man. We on the way. Give me that. We're on the way, about to make it happen. Look at your man over here, excited. Mr. Flick. See, they got everything out here, yeah. They got everything. I know. I be thinking that too. I'm like, you gotta sell something. What's up, champ? What's up, boss? How you doing? How you doing, man? Pick up. Flick over there dropping that bread.
Ain't a lot of hurt over, y'all. That hurt.
Hey, you want this?
It's just a retainer bolt that holds the shaft in place or whatever. But it's like, the only way it's going to come up unless you physically pull up on it.
Okay.
You got to roll up and start it up for you.
Okay.
So what was he saying?
Oh, he was just basically like, he was saying that, just give me the two-stroke rundown. He was saying like, yo, the mixture matters, so you like get a real good oil.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? He's like, don't guess, you know what I'm saying, measure it out.
Also, the fuel valve that we put on here is not a... normally in the dirt bike's got an off and on, but the one we got on there is an off, on.
Oh, yeah.
And it has a reserve on it.
Yeah, okay.
So, if you're ever riding and it feels like it's putting out or whatever, it means your gas is getting to a certain point where it's hitting the reserve.
Yeah.
Just switch it up to the reserve.
Okay.
And fill it back, or just fill it back up.
Okay.
Or whatever. So right now we're just going to leave it on the on.
It worked! One kick. Can't beat that. He had a Suzuki. Then he went and got the carry.
Oh yeah, that joint was still on. Yeah, he was saying like always let that joint warm up for like 3 minutes or whatever. He was saying, yeah, he was just like schooling me on it. Oh, that joint sound nasty, bro. That joint is...
And this is what he meant by test riding?
Yeah, I know, right? I guess, yeah.
Man, let me test ride that.
Man, what?
But he is going through years though.
Yeah, that front tire is wobbly.
Really pocket check that.
Yeah, in fact, that front tire is wobbly. You see the front tire? Watch when he come back towards you. That's gonna.
Wobble?
Spokes, yeah, that's gonna wobble like a mother. He a big dude, yeah.
Oh,
see it?
I see. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, man. Good to go.
All right, man. Appreciate you. All right, Joe. Yeah. All right, bro. Come on, man. How you doing?
This out.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh, there you go. What gear? Second? First? I like this joint though. This
It's gonna be fun, yeah. It's gonna be fun. You try to knee-knock it. I see you try to knee-knock the joint. I see you try to knee-knock it.
Man, it's gonna take some getting used to this joint.
Yeah, it's fun though.
It's fun as I don't know what. I'm talking about she not going nowhere, like at all. Like I didn't even get the wheel off the ground.
So what you think about the two-stroke 125?
Man, listen, I'm thoroughly impressed, man. Like I'm not used to riding it at all, but I know I'm gonna have a blast with this jump, man. We gonna have a good time, and got work to do.
I mean, he got work to do.
I got work to do, bruh. I ain't know how to start the jump.
We back down to day one.
Man, we all the way back.
We all the way back.
All the way back to square one.
So by the time he get back on this joint, he should be a beast on the RM120, the RM250,
Yeah.
and he should be pretty good at this joint.
The RM, that joint, it made it easy on me.
Yeah.
It definitely made it easy on me because this joint has worked. I feel like I look good on this. I don't know.
It do. It look cool. It look cool though. It look cool.
As always, y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Until next time.